Thank you for starting your free trial of Macabacus. You should have already received an email to set your password. Go ahead and follow that link to get started. Next, download and install the Macabacus software. Macabacus installs like most Windows software. Download the installer by clicking on the download link on this page. If you face any permission issues during the installation process, you may need to contact your IT support to assist you. Once Macabacus is successfully installed, it will appear in the ribbon of Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. At this point, it's ready to be activated. To activate, click on the Key button on the ribbon. Enter the email address and password you used to create the account, and your free trial will be activated. Thank you for watching. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.